Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you all doing today? Just giving you an update on my Italian pepper. Harvest these things so much. Okay, so you see on this limb, look how much pepper it have on this limb. And then it have this one. So I'm going to pick this one because it didn't make use leaving it there. Because look how much small one is there coming. This is also on the same tree. Look how much blossom, look how much pepper it have there. Look, it have a small one right there. Look there again, look at this other limb right here. There's one down there. And this is just one part of the pepper. Okay, this is just here. Alright, so let's go around this side. We have pepper here again. We have another pepper down here. And I'm not, you see what's going on? Look, two pepper there. This is on the same pepper tree. Then we have this one full with blossom. Then when we come up here, we still have more pepper. Come right up to the top. Right up to the top. All the way over here. I mean, this pepper tree have I'll say like 20 pepper at this time. And we still have blossom. We still have small one. This is one pepper tree I now show you. From down there, come right up to the top. Okay, so this limb. Oh my goodness, this limb is also included at one pepper tree. You see what's going on here? These things, I'm telling you, they really produce. I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been harvesting from these pepper since about April. And it's like more I harvest, more they produce. So a pepper like this, I can plant this kind of pepper. Look at the size of this one, which I'm gonna pick it. Nice, juicy, heavy pepper. Yeah, so this is the next one over this side over here. This is the next pepper tree. Coming up here, coming up. This is the same, okay, over there and over there. And look to the top how much blossom it have up there with small pepper. Even on this one, look how much, I mean, look at it. I want you guys to see. Look how much pepper is on this tree. Look right up inside there. Look over here. And the more you pick, is the more they produce. So today I'm gonna harvest all the big ones. Because they have so much small one that is not a need for me to even try. Look this one. Pepper, and it have small pepper coming there. When we move over to this pepper tree again, same thing going on. One to the bottom. Look at pepper here again, all over. That's two right there. I'm not sure if you guys seeing well. That's two right there. That's one coming up here. That's one up there again. Watch. That's like three right there, and watch to the top. Look how much blossom you're seeing up there. Alright, so we come over to this one now. This is pepper right here, coming up here. And all this is pepper. Pepper again, blossom. Yes. So there's a lot of pepper in this garden. But I'm going on do a harvest study. You see that? That's rabbit. I saw a rabbit in the garden, and what they do, they eat off the head of my okra them. Alright. So this, it makes sense I just pick this one. This one spoiled, I don't know what's wrong, but I'm gonna take it off. I ain't gonna leave it there. Okay, let's go back over this side. Honestly, I just want to leave them to ripe on the tree, but the pepper them is so big and heavy, I don't want them to break the limbs them. See a bee loping around. Okay, so I'll pick this one as well. Okay, so let's come up to this one. Watch here again. This is Italian sweet pepper. It's my first time trying them, but my goodness, I don't know these things bear like this. I didn't come prepared to harvest anything today, but like I said, I should know better, because every time you come in this garden, there's always something to harvest. This one touching the ground, so I'm gonna take it. This one. Look how much pepper still left on this tree. I mean, wow. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. This is just a small pepper harvest. I hope you all enjoy. Peace and love.